What's up, muscle car people? Bringing muscle cars here. Today we're going to install a Lokar transmission dipstick on a Pontiac G8. It has a 6L80E transmission. Now TJ is going to show you the tools you're going to need.
So here is the trans dipstick as well as the sleeve for it. We're going to use the drill to drill a hole into the transmission. Just kidding, we're only going to do that to a trim piece to bolt the mount to it. We got our two little bolts for bolts and holes to mount the mount, and your drill bits.
Alright guys, we're under the car. We're on the passenger side of the car. Obviously put your car up, supported on jack stands. On the G8, on the passenger side, you see the pan here. Up here there's a little plug. Now these cars don't come factory with a dipstick. There's a little plug, and when you have to fill fluid you have to pump it literally up over. You're gonna pull this plug out. It's the only thing up here really. And this is what the plug looks like. That's basically all you got to do is pop that out. So then you can run the dipstick down in there, and that's the next step.
Right, guys, the green side is the side that goes down into the transmission. We're just going to route this down here as best we can. Perhaps TJ could hold the tube up top, or there's so much water down there, man. Here, you hold it up top, I'll get down there.
Jared wants to get wet.
Alright, you hold it there.
We can make a lot of
What's up,
sexual references about this.
Jared's getting moist under the G8.
Alright. TJ.
Yeah.
You gotta hold tight onto the shaft.
Yanked it.
I know.
You stop yanking.
You gotta get used to
it. Quit being Randy. Alright.
Okay, pull out more. Alright, that's good.
Never pull out. That's what Matt does.
Oh, hold on, I gotta find the hole again.
Yeah, pull out and I drop it down. Sitting under the open on this thing. I know you can. That's why I'm making the comment. Tug on a little harder, Jared.
I'm trying to push down as hard as I can.
Stick it in the hole.
It's in the hole, but it's like it's too deep for the hole.
Too deep. You mean too big or too small?
Like the girth is exceptional.
Okay.
It's basically like Matt when he was with that 22-year-old. TJ, can you push from the top? Does that help?
When you have two people pushing it, it starts to become double penetration.
I didn't suggest a threesome.
So do we have penetration or do we not have penetration?
Like 80% penetration, but it's that last 20 that really matters.
You gotta get the whole thing in there.
Get some vice grips. You get in the hole already.
I'm telling you, the girth is the problem. It's so thick. See if you can slide the dipstick back down now, easily.
We're in.
Yeah?
Yep.
Sick.
Jared, tell everybody what you're doing here.
So we found a suitable mounting spot is in this region.
Jared actually, for the first time I think I've ever met him,
I might not actually zip tie something.
he doesn't want to zip tie it to something. He actually wants to mount it to the...
Hey, channel first here on Bring It Muscle Cars.
It's true.
Yeah, we've got freaking zip tied trans cooler, zip tied oil cooler, zip tied everything else. And he's not wanting to zip tie a transmission dipstick. God help us on this trip.
I'm gonna have to though. There's not really like.
That's why I just said run it along here. There's a tie it to that.
That's. I don't want to put it that close to that though. That's
why.
Because I don't want it to like blow up.
This bully boy.
It's a spinny boy.
No, it's a screamy boy. Screw.
Got self-peppers on my brand new car. And
That's back it. Doesn't need to be. Work the way out.
Just gotta. It's full.
Might even be overfull. Holy cow, it worked.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, as you just saw, that's how you install a Lokar transmission dipstick on a 6L80E transmission on a Pontiac G8. You might want to do it a little better than us. That's fine with me, but it's in, it works.
We've got more than enough transmission.
And we have trans fluid. So if you like this video, hit that like button, smash that notification bell. What else do I have to say?
Subscribe to the channel.
And subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.